Yeah, I can't understand you with your boppy in your mouth.
Papa get poo-poo.
Yeah?
Papa get poo-poo nothing.
Nelson's?
Yeah.
Yeah. What does he get it with?
Poo-poo.
With his shovel?
Yeah.
You show me how he does it? Like that?
I'm moving
Now you're mowing.
now. My son like it.
Okay. Okay. You be right back.
I get seeds.
You're going to go get seeds?
Yeah.
Okay. At Home Depot?
Yeah.
All right. I'll see you later.
I'm not Home Depot.
No, where are you going to go?
Daddy's house.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll see you later then. He's not coming in. You close the door.